How to apply for Dubai Police Clearance Certificate online. Now, this method is actually doable. All you have to do is to pull up any available web browser that you can use on your end, or you could also try to access the Dubai Police application via the Google Play Store or any app store available on your end. Now, once you're here, just simply type in dubaipolice.gov.ae and you'll be redirected into Government of Dubai Police. Now, go into the your right portion and hit on login. And if you don't have an account yet, of course, you need to fully register first, and you need to either sign in with your UAE Pass or create a fresh account. Now, once you successfully created or logged in into your account, what you want to do next is just to head straight, navigate to the correct service to simply find and select Good Conduct Certificate or Criminal Clearance Certificate service. Fill out your details on the application form, like your user type, Emirates ID, certificate purpose, type of requested party, certificate language, and your active email address. Once you have fully filled out the application form, just simply wait for the government of Dubai to get back to you to provide you the actual certificate. And that's it. That's how you apply for Dubai Police Clearance Certificate online.